baby, oh. We're going to buy this.
The biggest one?
No, this one. Favorite ketchup. Can't find the... Where should I buy this? Crushed chili. So we're gonna get this Dato Puti soy sauce. Put it inside the car. And also Dato Puti suka. This favorite. Hi guys, so this is all we got. This is all we got now. Say hi. We're gonna get milk.
Milk.
Oh. Milk in So far guys, we're almost kind of done sa pag-grocery. I just can't vlog here because we got music. We're going to do a guess the bill. We're done grocery shopping already. So, what's your guess?
Maybe around 6K.
For that, 6K only.
It's not even.
For me, 9K.
Okay, maybe around 7K.
Okay, final.
Oh, so what's the catch? Dapat may catch na pustahan tayo.
Wala. Let's go na, let's pay. Pretty.
May bakyo na talaga.
Yeah.
Papagiwin ka din.
Sige, vlogging.
Thank you, man.
Thank you po.
Worship service today. I pray, Lord God, that you would just meet.
So we're going to eat ramen sa Ramen Broda.
Okay. So we're going to eat ramen.
Yun yung
After
matcha ice cream sila.
We got matcha. Oh, see. Matcha ice cream. Tapat ka naman sa aircon. Tapat ka sa aircon, hindi ka mapapawisan. What?